Imagine being a young woman named Sarah, who, with a little bit of savings and a lot of determination, bought her first rental property at the age of 25. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of grit and persistence. She embarked on this journey with limited resources, a handful of dreams, and a heart full of ambition. Her path was not without hurdles. She had to navigate the intricate labyrinth of the real estate market, grapple with landlord-tenant laws, and familiarize herself with the nuances of property management. Sarah used every challenge as a stepping stone, constantly educating herself and refining her strategies. She assessed her financial capabilities, explored suitable mortgage options, and diligently researched potential properties. Sarah's tireless efforts bore fruit when she successfully rented out her first property, and that was just the beginning. Today, she owns multiple properties and enjoys a steady rental income. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Diving headfirst into real estate investment without understanding the market can be like jumping into an ocean full of sharks. Now, you wouldn't want that, would you? So, how do you avoid those metaphorical sharks? By educating yourself. Begin by studying the real estate market in the area where you plan to buy. This includes understanding the market trends, familiarizing yourself with property values, and calculating potential rental income. This information is vital as it forms the backbone of your investment strategy. But it doesn't stop there. Being a landlord isn't just about owning property. It's also about understanding the laws and regulations that govern these relationships. Get to know the landlord-tenant laws in your area. This will help you avoid legal pitfalls and protect your investment in the long run. Remember, investing in real estate isn't a game of chance. It's a calculated risk that requires knowledge, analysis, and understanding. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can also mean profit. Money matters, especially when you're planning to invest in real estate. The first thing you want to do is determine your budget. Take a good hard look at your savings, consider your mortgage options, and project your potential rental income. These numbers together will give you an idea of what you can afford, but don't stop there. There are additional costs to consider: property taxes, insurance, maintenance fees. These are all part of owning a rental property. And don't forget about property management fees, especially if you're not planning on being a hands-on landlord. Your budget should account for all these factors. It's not just about buying the property, it's about being able to sustain it. So do your math and do it well. Remember, investing in rental property isn't about making a quick buck. It's a long-term commitment that requires careful planning and financial prudence. A well-planned budget is your first step towards a successful rental property investment. Remember, you're not the only one looking for a great investment property. Stand out from the crowd by getting pre-approved for a mortgage. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide your financial information to a mortgage lender who will then determine how much they'd be willing to lend. Not only does this show sellers that you're serious, but it also gives you a clear understanding of your budget. And let's not forget, a pre-approval letter can be your golden ticket in the competitive real estate market. Now that you're armed with knowledge and a pre-approval letter, it's time to find the right property. The first step is to identify the type of property you're looking for. This could be a single-family home, a multi-unit building, or even a commercial property. Consider factors like location, property condition, and the potential for future appreciation. For instance, a property in a growing neighborhood might cost more upfront, but could yield a higher return in the long run. Once you've defined your criteria, it's time to hire a real estate agent. Preferably, you want to work with someone who specializes in investment properties. They can help you find suitable listings, negotiate prices, and navigate the often complex buying process. Remember, a good agent is an investment in your success. Next, it's time to put on your detective hat and start researching and inspecting potential properties. Attend open houses, schedule viewings, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Look out for any potential red flags such as structural issues, outdated systems, or signs of neglect. A thorough inspection can save you from costly surprises down the line. Finally, it's time to run the numbers. This is where you analyze the potential rental income against your expenses. This includes your mortgage payment, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and property management fees. The goal is to ensure that the property will generate a positive cash flow. After all, you're in this to make money, not just break even. Consider the return on investment and the potential for property appreciation. Tools and calculators are available online to help you with this. Now, this might seem like a lot to take in, and it is, but remember, finding the right property is a marathon, not a sprint. It might take time, but it's time well spent. This is a big decision, and rushing it could cost you. Finding the right property might take time, but remember, patience pays. You've found the perfect property and your offer has been accepted. Congratulations. But the journey is not over yet. There's a few more steps to take before you can start earning rental income. First, it's time for due diligence. This is where you double-check everything from getting a comprehensive inspection to reviewing property records and ensuring there are no legal issues. It's a crucial step to avoid any surprises down the line. Next, you'll need to secure your financing. Finalize your mortgage and make sure you have all the funds necessary for the purchase. Remember, it's not just the property price, but also closing costs that you need to cover. And then the big day arrives, closing the deal. This is when you'll sign piles of paperwork, but at the end of it, you'll have the keys to your new investment property. It's a day of celebration, but also the beginning of a new phase. Now it's time to prepare the property for renting. Make any necessary repairs or renovations to make the property appealing to potential tenants. A well-maintained property can command a higher rent and attract quality tenants. Speaking of rent, determining the rental price is a crucial step. You want to strike a balance between making a profit and ensuring your property is competitively priced for the market. Research similar properties in the area and consider factors like location, property size, and amenities when setting your rental price. Once your property is ready and the price is set, it's time to find tenants. Advertise the property through various channels, from online listings to local newspapers. Remember, finding the right tenant is crucial for a smooth renting experience. Screen potential tenants thoroughly through applications, background checks, and references. With the right tenants in your property, you're now officially a landlord. It's a rewarding journey filled with opportunities for financial growth. Remember, like any investment, it requires time, effort, and a dash of patience. But with due diligence and smart decisions, you can make your mark in the world of real estate investment. Being a landlord is not a one-time gig. It's a continuous journey of learning and managing. The real work begins once the property is rented out. It's crucial to stay on top of maintenance, addressing tenant concerns promptly to ensure a healthy landlord-tenant relationship. But remember, managing a property is not just about fixing leaky faucets and collecting rent. It also involves staying informed about the real estate market, understanding trends, and adjusting your strategies accordingly. Changes in property values, shifts in rental demand, or new landlord-tenant laws can all impact your investment. Moreover, don't forget to keep learning. Make it a habit to educate yourself about different investment strategies, financial management, and the intricacies of real estate. Attend webinars, read books, join forums, and network with other landlords. Remember, the key to being a successful landlord is adaptability and continuous learning. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to buying and renting out your first property. We've covered everything from educating yourself about the local real estate market, setting financial goals, getting pre-approved for a mortgage, to finding the right property. We also delved into the importance of due diligence, securing financing, preparing for renting, finding tenants, managing the property, and the need for continuous learning. If this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about this topic, check the description for more resources. And if we've earned your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.